evening, people of Britain. It is me, Queen Amy. I'd like to take a run through the year of 2012. It has been a good year for all involved. Miss Riley has bought a new flat, as have I and Prince Philip. We're extremely happy in our new abode. I would like to give a royal congratulations to Charlotte for her engagement. Vicky has been very drunk for the whole year, as has Miss Fleetwood. Hannah Fleetwood has not crashed any cars this year, so I'd like to extend a hand of congratulations to her too. Anna has got a new roommate, aka sex slave, and Alice Navarro is still dating a child. Lucy has been to New York and got attacked by a hurricane. But apart from that, it has been a fantastic year. Laura is moving in with her new hubby, and we are all very happy. So I'd like to extend the hand of to 2013. It will be a good year. Thank you and goodbye. Shut the fucking door!